Find the area of the composite figure on the screen.
The area of a composite figure can be found by simply breaking down this composite figure into smaller shapes. And when we look at this composite figure, what can we break it down into? We can break it down into two rectangles. We can put dash 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 there to break this into two rectangles. So we're going to call this rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. So we have two rectangles and we know we find the area of a rectangle using the formula length times width. So which of the rectangle are we going to start with? We start with rectangle 1. Now remember, area of a rectangle goes with length times width. So we need to identify which part of the first rectangle is our length and which part is going to act as our width. So we're going to have this here as our length, which is 8 inches. Now some students are tempted to pick this part of it here, which is the 6 inches. But remember, this line here stops halfway before going into the second rectangle. So you're going to pick the line, the part of the rectangle that goes all the way down. So this is going to be our length. We're going to have 8 multiplied by 2, which is going to act as our width. We'll multiply 8 by 2. This is going to give us 16 inches square units. Now we found for rectangle 1. So we're going to put this as rectangle 1. Then we have to go to rectangle 2. Now we also have to identify where our length and our width is. Now sometimes students are tempted to pick also this as our width because it goes all the way here. But no, we have broken down this rectangle into two. So we need to pick from where the rectangle starts. And what number is there? 10. So we're going to go with 10 inches as our width. We're going to put that here. Our length is going to be 2 inches because it's on the other side, the height of this triangle. So it's going to be 2 times 10, which is equal to 20 inches square. Now to find the total area of this composite figure, we're going to add the two areas of the two rectangles. That we're going to have 16 plus 20, which is equal to 36 inches square units. Now this is how you find the area of a composite figure.